If you are a Revit user and you want to automate repetitive tasks, speed up your workflow, and use powerful Python based tools inside Revit, then pyRevit is something you must install. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install pyRevit step by step, even if you're doing it for the first time. So, what is pyRevit? pyRevit is a free open source add-in for Revit that allows you to run Python scripts directly inside Revit. It's widely used by BIM managers and advanced Revit users to automate tasks like sheet creation, model checks, room automation, and much more. To download it, first open the browser. Go to your browser and go to GitHub. Search for pyRevit GitHub or use the official link in the description. Scroll down to the releases section in download. You would find two options. One is just the pyRevit installer and the other would be mentioned as admin all users. For simplicity, just download the first version. Once downloaded, right click and run the installer as administrator. Select install for all users. This is recommended. The installer will automatically detect all installed Revit versions. Finish the installation. Now go to Revit to cross-check whether pyRevit has been installed in your system or not. You would find in the ribbon icon, if everything has been done neatly, that pyRevit option has been provided now. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to ARCHI Tools, and comment below if you want pyRevit scripts for real project workflows. See you in the next one.